Hello guys, so today I will tell you how to make calculator from Meet App Inventor. So let's start. First of all, let's make the menu part. As you all can see, this is the calculator we all have. So we would code for divide, multiply, subtract and addition. For these all we would code. Okay, so let's make the main screen. So let's start. We would need a label which is not clickable, and we will align it to the center and in vertical also center. So we will means text it as welcome to calculator. So as I have given, so and I will increase the font size and will give them a background color, and will give a button also, so that when they would click on the button, then the calculator screen would pop up. Let's go. Okay, we'll increase the font size for this too, and the background color also will add. Okay, so let's add one more screen, which is screen 2. So first of all, we have to code for the screen 1. So when the button 1 would be clicked, then it should open another screen. So when button 1 would be clicked, and in control we are having open another screen and the screen name. And if from text we would have a text which is blank, and remember we have to just type the same name that the screen we have added. So there s was capital, so yes, now it's same. Like see screen 2, we have to give the same. Now come to screen number 2. So see, we would be having two text box which in which we can write text box in which we can write, and we would be having a hint also. Like see, here we are having a search components hint. You can see here you are having search components. Now clearly watch it. When I am clicking on it and type it anything like type, so it disappears. So hint is something which gives what to do there. So likewise we can have hint in this also. For that we would have one more text box, so let's add that one too, and it should be in between so that it could be means look beautiful. So now I have made them in between, and we would have a plus, minus, subtract and um, plus, subtract, divide and multiply button. So let's add four of them. 1 2 3 and 4. So first of all we have to give signs. So the sign of plus is I have given, and will increase the font size, and we'll do same for all of these. Subtract and increase the font size, and same for multiply and divide. And divide. Yes, and we have to give a background color to them also. So let them be green as I am giving it. Yes. So as I have given all the numbers, so we'll have a label also, so that they can disappear their what would be the answer there. But we will not type anything in the text box. So let's start now. Oh, for that we could rename our button also. From here we are having the see rename and delete button. So we could rename them also. So button 1 is our subject. So let's give them the name of sub. Button 2 is uh, the first one is of addition. Sorry, really sorry, I forgot about that. Button 2 is our subtract, so we'll write sub. 3 is for multiply. 4 is of divide. So that it could be easy to understand which button is, we would not have any problem for that. So when addition would be clicked, so first of all we have to understand it clearly. So I will let you understand it clearly. So see, wait, I'm sharing my whiteboard. Like this is our addition button, subtraction button, or multiplication button, and division button. So and we are having two textbooks in which the user can write. So and addition, it should do when addition would be clicked, then it should add the number which is given in textbooks 1 and textbooks 2. Okay, and similarly for all the cases, so we have to code for that. So we'll code. I'm sharing my screen again. Yes, now see. When addition would be clicked, then it should add, sorry, it should set the label, the answer, set label 1 dot text to the addition, sorry, to the addition of the textbooks 1 and textbooks 2. Textbooks 1 dot text and textbooks 2 dot text. So we will get our answer. Similarly, we will do for the subtract, multiply and divide. So let's do it. We could duplicate it. Now see, it's duplicated, but it would be wrong if we do it for addition only. We'll remove it and means remove that also. Now here we are having a means subtraction also. So we'll attach and we will drag and attach them. And let's do for multiply now. Set label 1 dot text to the multiply of textbooks dot 1 dot textbooks 1 dot text and textbooks 2 dot text. So we would be having an advanced of divide. So here when divide would be clicked, then it should set label 1 dot text to the division of where yes, modulo of division of textbooks 1 dot text and textbooks 2 dot text. So we would be checking it now. So I would just tell you how to means check. You have to click on the connect which is at the top here. Click on connect, and while clicking on connect here it would show AI companion. So we have to click on AI companion there. So I have clicked. So we have to download the Met App Inventor um, app from Play Store when it would be downloaded. So let me show you now. So when you will download it, it would have the scan QR code button. Then you have to scan this QR code which have been present here, and then the means our app would be loaded there. So you can try it. So thank you and bye.